Welcome to Exit Strategy. This is Jishnu here again, and in this video we are going to unbox the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Now let's get along with the unboxing.
Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. The phone is a 32GB variant with 3GB of RAM. It comes with a Snapdragon 636 with a long-last battery of 5000 mAh, and the display is 6-inch 18:9 resolution. Now let's move along with the unboxing. Opening the box, we get to see some paperwork first. I guess it includes a warranty card, some instructions and EMI stickers, and it also has a SIM tool. Now let's keep it aside and look at the phone. It is covered with a transparent paper. Let's take it out. And the phone looks slim, sleek and also lightweight. It looks stylish, of course. Let's move on to the box and see what else are in that. There is a charger over there. It is a Asus branded power brick, and it comes with a 5V 2A charging. Of course, I guess it doesn't support fast charging 3. Moving on to the charging cable, it is a mini USB cable, not a Type C one. Well, the length isn't that long, it is just below 1 meter. It also comes with this sound box made of cardboard. Instructions are also given in the panel how to use it. It is like you have to place the phone on it, and while playing the media, the sound gets amplified. Let's see how it seems. Well, it looks certainly like a phone stand and nothing else. Now let's move it all aside and look on to the physical overview of the phone. On the top there is a noise cancellation microphone, and going into the material, the top is made of plastic and the back is metallic. At the bottom there is a speaker which is mono and a 3.5mm headphone jack, and also a mini USB port for charging. At the left edge there is this SIM tray. Let's eject it out and see whether there is a dedicated slot for the memory card. The SIM tray seems to be long enough to support 2 nano SIM and 1 SD card. This definitely means that the phone is in hybrid. It comes with an 8MP front cam shooter with an LED flash at the front, and the rear camera is a 13MP and 5MP dual cam with an LED flash, and also there is a fingerprint sensor at the back. The volume buttons and the power buttons are on the right edge, and let's power this up. Now that the phone is set up, let's look at the interface. Good thing is that it comes with a kind of stock Android experience and not Zen UI. Even it has a built-in FM radio. Extra apps like GoToPay, Instagram and FB Messenger apart from the stock Android feel is also there. Now let's move on to the settings. In About Phones, you can see Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, and the UI is Zen UI, but the user interface is similar to the stock Android Oreo experience, and even the notification bar, the toggle icons, everything look similar to that. Now let's move on to the rear camera setup. The focus is fine, the shutter speed is really fast, it's great actually. Now let's check the picture. The clarity is definitely good. At first look, it's a great camera. Now moving on to the settings, it is not a stock one, it is a customizable one. There is a lot of picture option, clarity option, quality control, storage and a lot of options. Now let's see whether such kind of options are also given in the video recording. Here the video quality by default is set to 1080p, but it can be raised to Ultra HD 4K videos. But unlike the huge customizable tools given for the camera settings, only minimum settings is available in the video mode. Now let's see how good is the selfie camera. Well, at first look, I don't think it's so great. It is below average. Now let's see how responsive is the fingerprint sensor. As you can see, it is a bit slow in response. It takes more than half a second. I hope they will fix this in the new updates. Now let's see the SAR values of the phone. The head is 0.5 and the body is 1.3, both of which are at the lower side. Now let's have a quick look on how well the amplifying box works.
Overall, this is a really good rival phone for the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and my personal opinion is that if you are looking for a budget phone, then this is a really good choice. So thank you, and please do like, share and keep watching.